Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone work from home job lead for you. This one seems very simple, and they are going to train you. Of course, the links, if you're interested in putting those applications in, are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Just a little disclaimer, I do not work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online, so I don't have any additional information other than what is included in the job posting. Today's job lead is from the company Activist Connect. They are looking for a content moderator to work virtual remote. Now, real quickly before we get into it, when you scroll all the way down to put your application in, it does ask the question if you reside in these certain states. I do have these states listed in the YouTube description box below as well. So it looks like they are only hiring in these states within the United States. But if you live in one of those states, they are looking for people to review transcripts of completed queries, that is like search results, checking for proper spelling, grammar, punctuation, and reviewing for inappropriate content. You'll be moderating text, images, and video queries and responses from AI chatbot. You'll also follow their posted policies, processes, and guidelines, checking the content. So this position will also involve reviewing user-posted content, so you never know what you're going to come across. Content may include offensive nature, and that is your job, is to look at that and flag it and have that content removed as necessary. So you need to make sure that you are okay with viewing offensive things. Now, they are looking for someone who has a high school diploma or equivalent. They would like someone who has prior content moderation or public forum moderation experience, 6 months to a year. Someone who is willing to complete the online training. You have to complete it at 100%, but they are going to train you. Now, you do have to be able to pass a background check, have great communication skills, and strong knowledge of internet culture and how to use the internet. The pay rate for this position is $15 an hour, and you are not an independent contractor. You are a W-2 employee, and this is a full-time position, so it will come with a benefit package after 60 days of employment, including medical, vision, dental, and 401k. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that is absolutely okay. Not everything is for everyone. Please always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you are looking for. Even if I'm not always responding, I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.